Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting, especially for those of you who like mechanics. You know, those of you who follow me regularly, which from time to time, I usually put a video asking to see if you know what the problem is, and then I'll give you the solution. In this case, they brought us a BMW 318 diesel, which had a problem with the connecting rod bushings. They were damaged. But this engine had been running for a long time bad, the owner told us that the person he bought it from had previously had problems with the particle filter. It was clogged. They tried to clean it, but it couldn't be cleaned, and they installed a new particle filter in a few months. Then the problems with the connecting rod bearings started, but as I said, before that, the engine sounded bad. The question is, let's see if you know why the oil is in this state. What do you think has happened there? Look, there you see how the camshafts are, see? There is a crust there, in fact. They come out like small stones. Then I am going to remove the camshafts, and you will see that the rocker arms are in even worse condition. Look how they are. They have like a scab there. It is like rough, as if they were small stones. Well, I know what it is, but I'm asking you to see if you can guess why it is in this state. The camshafts, the rocker arms, the hydraulic cams, and the rest are the same. There, you see that crust. What comes out of there? Well, here is the video. Put me in the comments. Let's see why you think it has this scab. In fact, I'm going to give you a clue. What you see here is related to the damage it has had the engine of this car. Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.